Welcome to the future of portable computing, where tablets have evolved into sleek powerhouses of productivity and entertainment. In the dynamic landscape of 2024, manufacturers continue to push boundaries, delivering cutting-edge technology wrapped in elegant designs. As we delve into the realm of tablets, this exploration aims to spotlight the top 5 contenders that stand at the forefront of innovation and user experience. Whether you seek powerhouse performance, immersive displays, or seamless integration into your digital lifestyle, these tablets are poised to redefine what's possible in the ever-evolving world of mobile computing. Join us on a journey through the best tablets of 2024, where form meets function and technology seamlessly integrates with your daily life. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to stay updated when we release new videos. Apple iPad Pro 6th Generation. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro is Apple's most powerful tablet. It's powered using the company's proprietary M2 processor and features a stunning liquid Retina XDR display. At the time of purchase, you choose how much internal storage you want. We recommend the 256GB or 512GB option, unless you have high-end needs that require a tremendous amount of storage. In this case, consider the 1TB or 2TB options. Like all iPads, this one runs iPadOS 17 or later, and it comes with a generous selection of pre-installed apps used to handle many common tasks. You also get access to the App Store with its millions of optional apps. The iPad Pro offers a large touchscreen display and a lot of customizable features. It works seamlessly with iCloud, so app-specific data, as well as document and other files, will sync with your other Apple gadgets. The optional Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, stylus, and Apple Magic Keyboard can boost your productivity. And for tablet users who need that extra boost of processing power for, say, video editing or high-performance gaming, this is the iPad we recommend. At the time of purchase, you can choose between a Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular configuration. Select the amount of internal storage and choose between a silver or space gray casing. Other things we really like about the iPad Pro: a 4-speaker sound system that supports spatial audio, high-quality front and rear cameras, and a Face ID feature that unlocks the device and approves online purchases. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. For a power user looking for an advanced, feature-packed, and fast Android tablet, it's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra that you're looking for. Between its stunning 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, powerful processor, up to 1TB of internal storage, and long battery life, this tablet can handle advanced tasks that require a lot of power. The bright, colorful, and detailed display, combined with the tablet's quad speaker system that supports Dolby Atmos, makes video, graphics, or audio look and sound incredible. You get a Samsung S Pen stylus, so you can handwrite or draw directly on the screen, as well as annotate files. The tablet runs the latest version of Android, providing advanced functionality that other tablets simply can't replicate. We also love that this is one of the few tablets that's IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. The housing uses Armor aluminum, which also makes it considerably more durable than most. The Tab S9 Ultra is nicely equipped with two 12-megapixel front-facing cameras, with a wide and ultra-wide FOV. On the back, you get a 13-megapixel wide camera that's accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Another great feature is that the tablet supports Wi-Fi 6E, so you'll get the fastest wireless connection speeds possible. Basically, the Tab S9 Ultra is among the most powerful tablets currently, period. It's also lightweight and extremely thin. And of course, it works seamlessly with other Samsung Galaxy mobile devices. Apple iPad Pro 4th Generation. The 11-inch iPad Pro is just about as powerful and versatile as the 12.9-inch model, but you get a smaller screen and a slightly more compact design. Which option you should choose is a matter of preference, based on what you'll be using the tablet for and how large of a display you want at your disposal. If you're someone who appreciates the iPad's ability to run 2 apps side by side, the slightly larger display of the 12.9-inch iPad Pro gives you a bit more on-screen real estate. But for users who typically hold the tablet for extended periods, when reading an ebook, for example, this slightly smaller and lighter version may be more appealing. The 11-inch iPad Pro runs the latest version of iPadOS and comes with the same pre-installed apps as other models. And this model takes full advantage of Apple's M2 processor, so it can handle higher-end tasks. The Apple Pencil, second generation, stylus, and Apple Magic Keyboard are sold separately and can boost your productivity, whether you want to handwrite on the screen or touch type with greater speed and accuracy. This version of the iPad Pro also comes in a Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi plus cellular configuration. At the time of purchase, choose how much internal storage the device will have, between 128 GB and 2 TB. It can't be upgraded later. Like all iPads, this one relies heavily on internet connectivity and Apple's iCloud service. It interacts seamlessly with all of Apple's other online services, from Apple Music and Apple Arcade to Apple Fitness Plus and Apple TV Plus. Google Pixel Tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet is a top Android tablet pick. It's designed by Google and it makes full use of the Android OS, which the company also created. This makes the tablet very customizable, and it gives you access to all of the apps on the Google Play Store. It also works seamlessly with all of Google's own apps and cloud-based services. Right now of the box, you get access to Google Chrome, Gmail, the Google Workplace apps, YouTube, and other apps. What sets the Google Pixel tablet apart is that it also comes with a unique charging speaker dock. When the tablet is connected, the battery charges, and the dock transforms into a fully functional home hub complete with Google Assistant. This means you get access to all of the functions of a Google Nest Hub Max. Of course, the Pixel tablet is also compatible with any USI 2.0 stylus and Bluetooth keyboard. This makes the tablet an ideal productivity tool, but it can just as easily be used for streaming TV shows, movies, music, podcasts, or audiobooks, playing games, reading ebooks, or web surfing. Google has packed a lot of functionality into a full-featured Android-based tablet that costs about half of what comparable tablets cost, which makes it a really good value. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The most compelling reason to invest in the feature-packed Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is that it runs Windows 11. For people who already use Windows, having a compatible tablet is pretty compelling. The Surface Pro 9 is on the lower end of Microsoft's Surface lineup, which includes tablets, laptop computers, and 2-in-1 devices. When you combine this tablet with an optional keyboard and stylus, it will perform almost the same collection of tasks as a Windows computer. For wireless connectivity, the Surface Pro 9 supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 tech. You also get a 5G cellular connectivity option. Among the selection of pre-installed apps, you get Microsoft Edge, plus 30-day trials for Microsoft 365 Family and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. As you'd expect, this tablet also has stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos. The touchscreen has a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and for security, the Surface Pro 9 supports Microsoft's Windows Hello Sign-In feature. The front-facing camera offers 1080 per resolution, which is great for video calling, while the rear camera gives you 10-megapixel resolution. Overall, this is a nicely equipped tablet that offers a really good value for the investment, as well as plenty of expandability and customization options. And if you're already a Windows user, the learning curve for this tablet is short. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.